Let's face it, even the most engaged, well-intended brokers find it difficult to provide the resources and support necessary to get a new agent off the ground, especially in this rapidly changing market. My name is Julie Sabby with eXp Realty. When I was new, I thought all brokerages were the same and that I needed a big name behind me. So I started with Edina Realty. Then I realized that I wasn't getting the support to grow. So why was I paying such a high split? So I switched to Bridge Realty, which is a transactional brokerage. And while I thought it was good, I wasn't growing. After seeing an ad for Krista Mashore Coaching, I decided to enroll in her 3-day program. It was the absolute best investment I have ever made. I am aware, as realtors, we are bombarded with ads and offers for coaching programs and systems that promise to change our business overnight. Krista's program is vastly different. Krista is vastly different. She's an incredibly generous coach who provides proven tools that, when applied, will help you establish a successful business or dramatically enhance your current operation. Krista has developed a dynamic team of servant leaders, and her programs attract professionals who readily support one another as we individually strive to make a greater impact in our communities. Then I realized that what I needed was this amazing coach and a supportive team of individuals with a singular goal: to empower me for great success in my market. So whether you're a real estate veteran who has weathered previous market shifts, or like me, you want to know how to rise to the top of this industry, don't miss this opportunity. Message me for a free link to enroll in her next 3-day program.